In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Facebook business page link in GoDaddy Website Builder. If you want visitors to connect with your business on Facebook, this is a simple but important update to make on your website. Adding your Facebook business page link helps people find your social presence quickly, and it can make your site feel more complete and trustworthy. The good news is that the setup only takes a moment once you know where to look. To begin, open GoDaddy Website Builder and head to your site dashboard. Once you're in the editor, look for the settings area. This is where you'll manage important site-wide options, including the links connected to your social media profiles. Take your time here and make sure you're in the correct website before making changes, especially if you manage more than one site. Inside Settings, select Social Media Links. This section is specifically designed for adding the social profiles you want displayed on your website. Depending on your theme or layout, these links may appear in places like the header, footer, or other social icon areas on your site. If you've never updated this section before, you may see empty fields ready for your information. Now find the Facebook field and paste in the full URL for your Facebook business page. It's important to use the complete page link rather than just the page name, because that ensures visitors are sent directly to the correct destination. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly double-check the link for any missing characters or extra spaces. Even a small typo can prevent the button or icon from working properly. Once the link is in place, click Publish. This step is essential because it pushes your update live to your website. If you leave without publishing, the Facebook link may not appear for your visitors. After publishing, you may want to preview your site and test the Facebook icon or link yourself just to confirm that it opens the right page. And that's it. You've successfully added your Facebook business page link to your GoDaddy Website Builder site. It's a small change, but it can make it much easier for visitors to follow your business, stay updated, and engage with your brand outside of your website.